Did you know that with just 3 simple exercises, you can improve your ability to climb stairs and feel 20 years younger? If you often struggle with each step, feel knee weakness, or experience hip pain, this video is definitely for you. Today, I will guide you through 3 effective exercises that will strengthen your legs, improve joint flexibility, and make going up and down stairs much easier. Plus, at the end of the video, I'll reveal a small but incredibly useful tip many of my patients have successfully used to reduce knee and hip pain when climbing stairs. Before diving into the specific exercises, we must understand why stair climbing becomes more difficult over time. One of the main reasons is the decline in muscle mass, a natural process called sarcopenia. This occurs as our bodies gradually lose muscle mass and strength after age 30. However, what's concerning is that after the age of 50, muscle loss happens at a significantly faster rate. This particularly affects key muscle groups such as the legs, thighs, hips, and knees, essential areas that help maintain stability and strength when climbing stairs. When these muscles weaken, each step becomes more strenuous, balance deteriorates, and the risk of pain or falls increases. Don't worry too much. The good news is that we can completely slow down and reverse muscle loss with a scientifically proven method: progressive strength training, PST. This structured training approach gradually helps muscles adapt and grow stronger over time, rather than continuing to weaken due to a sedentary lifestyle. Imagine your body as an old bicycle. What will happen if you leave it sitting in a storage corner for too long without using it? The chain will rust, the pedals will become stiff, and the tires will gradually deflate. If you try to ride it right away, you'll struggle to pedal, feel weighed down, and lose control. But if you take some time to pump the tires, oil the chain, and adjust the pedals, the bike will gradually run smoothly again, allowing you to move easily without any issues. Your muscles work the same way. When you don't engage in strength training, they gradually weaken, their responsiveness slows down, and movements, especially stair climbing, become more challenging. However, through PST, you are essentially maintaining your body, strengthening the muscles in your legs, thighs, hips, and knees, making them more flexible and efficient, just like how proper maintenance helps an old bicycle run smoothly again. Throughout my work with patients at my clinic, I have witnessed many people in their 60s who can climb stairs effortlessly, sometimes just as comfortably as they did in their 40s. They no longer experience knee or hip pain, or fear falling with each step. This proves that proper strength training can help you regain freedom of movement, regardless of age. Now that you understand why building muscle strength is so important, let's start with 3 simple yet highly effective exercises that will help you easily conquer stairs. With consistent practice, you'll notice a remarkable difference. And, most importantly, I'll explain why certain other exercises might not be necessary to achieve the results you're looking for. Exercise 1. Lateral step up. This exercise focuses on strengthening the gluteus medius, a crucial muscle located in the hip region. It plays a key role in stabilizing the hip joint, improving balance, and reducing the risk of falls, especially when climbing stairs or walking on uneven surfaces. This is a must-do exercise if you've ever felt unsteady, wobbly on the stairs, or experienced hip weakness. How to perform. Prepare your equipment. Find a sturdy platform about 10 centimeters, 4 inches high. This could be the lowest stair step or a solid wooden box. If you're a beginner or have balance issues, perform this exercise near a handrail or a wall for support. Starting position. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, facing sideways next to the step. Step up. Place one foot firmly on the step, ensuring the entire foot is flat and stable. Avoid placing it too close to the edge to prevent slipping. Push up with control. Using the strength of the elevated leg, lift your body onto the step. Keep your back straight. Avoid leaning excessively, and bring the other leg up to meet the first. Controlled step down. Slowly step back, down sideways, returning to the starting position. Repeat the movement for the desired repetitions. Reps and sets. Perform 10 to 20 repetitions per side, depending on your strength level. If you struggle with balance, reduce the reps or hold on to a support for stability. Key tips: maintain a straight back and avoid excessive leaning to one side to protect your spine. Control your pace, especially when stepping down. Don't let your foot drop freely. Progress when ready. Increase the step height to 15 to 20 centimeters, 6 to 8 inches. Hold light dumbbells or a small water bottle in each hand for added resistance, promoting faster muscle growth. Practicing this exercise regularly will strengthen your legs, improve balance, and make climbing stairs more effortless daily. Exercise 2. Controlled sit to stand. This exercise targets two key muscle groups that help you climb and descend stairs safely: quadriceps, quads, and glutes, gluteal muscles. When stepping up a stair, your quads help lift your body, while your glutes provide balance and hip stability. Conversely, when stepping down, these muscles must work in sync to control movement, prevent falls, and reduce unnecessary stress on your knees. The controlled sit-to-stand exercise precisely mimics the movement required when using stairs. Practicing it properly will enhance your strength, knee flexibility, and movement control, allowing you to move more confidently in daily life. How to perform. Prepare your equipment. Choose a sturdy chair with a suitable height, not too low, to avoid excessive knee strain. If you're a beginner or have difficulty standing up, use a chair with armrests for support. Starting position. Sit on the chair with your feet hip-width apart, keeping both feet flat on the floor. Shift your body slightly forward toward the edge of the chair, positioning your feet slightly behind your knees to prepare for standing up. Standing up. Extend both arms forward to maintain balance if you feel confident. If you need support, place your hands on the armrests or the edge of the chair to assist in pushing yourself up. Engage your quads and glutes to lift your body into a fully upright position. Keep your back straight and avoid excessive leaning forward. Ensure the chair remains directly behind you to prevent stepping too far away. Controlled sit down. Lower yourself slowly and with control rather than dropping into the chair. Imagine you're sitting on an invisible chair. This will increase muscle activation and maximize the benefits of the workout. Keep your movements controlled to avoid putting unnecessary stress on your knees. Key tips. Stand up slightly faster to build leg strength and reaction speed. This helps improve stair climbing ability. Lower yourself slowly to strengthen muscles and improve balance control. Avoid using momentum to push yourself up, which reduces effectiveness and may strain your knees. Instead, let your muscles do the work. To increase difficulty, hold a light weight in front of your chest. Use a lower chair to make your muscles work harder. Recommended reps. Perform 10 repetitions per set, 2 to 3 sets per day for the best results. With consistent practice, you'll experience noticeable improvements in stair climbing, movement ease, and overall confidence. Exercise 3. Step down with weight. This is one of the most effective exercises for strengthening leg muscles, improving balance, and reducing fall risk, especially for individuals over 65. A 2022 study found that this exercise significantly enhances mobility while strengthening key muscles, such as the quadriceps, quads, glutes, and calves, crucial for stepping down safely. If you experience knee pain or weakness when descending stairs, this exercise will help you build better movement control, ensuring your knee joints function more stably while preventing excessive strain. How to perform. Prepare your training setup. Stand on a sturdy stair step or a raised platform about 10 to 20 centimeters, 4 to 8 inches high. If you are a beginner, start with a lower step to familiarize yourself with the movement. If you have balance issues, perform this exercise near a handrail or wall for support. Step-down movement. Shift your weight onto one leg, then slowly lower the other foot toward the floor. Control the movement. Do not let your foot drop freely. Imagine stepping down gently to avoid putting excessive pressure on your knee. When your foot touches the ground, pause to maintain stability before moving back up. Push back up to the starting position. Engage your quads and glutes to lift your body back up, returning the lowered foot to the starting position on the step. Keep your back straight and avoid excessive leaning forward or sideways. Recommended reps and sets. Perform 10 to 20 repetitions per leg, depending on your fitness level. Beginners can start with fewer reps and gradually increase over time. Pro tips to maximize effectiveness. Use weights or a weighted vest. Holding a 4 to 7 kilogram dumbbell or a lightweight vest adds resistance, making the exercise more challenging and promoting faster muscle growth. Keep knee alignment in check. Ensure your knee stays in line with your foot while stepping down. Avoid letting it cave inward to prevent injury and enhance joint stability. Maintain steady breathing. Inhale as you step down and exhale as you push back up to supply enough oxygen to your muscles. Increase difficulty progressively. Use a higher step to further build strength and control once comfortable. Consistently practicing this exercise will boost your confidence when moving, enhance flexibility, and reduce knee pain when climbing stairs. Secret tip to climb stairs easily without pain. Do you often experience knee pain or leg fatigue when climbing stairs? If so, don't be too quick to blame aging or declining health. In reality, the issue might be caused by an incorrect stair climbing technique. Many people, including my patients, unknowingly develop bad habits that make stair climbing more difficult while putting unnecessary strain on their knees and muscles. Common mistakes that make stair climbing harder. Over-relying on the handrail. When feeling weak or unsteady, many instinctively pull themselves up using their arms rather than engaging their leg muscles. This prevents the leg muscles from working properly and instead places strain on the shoulders and wrists, leading to muscle tension and joint fatigue. Pushing the body too upright. Some people tend to step straight up too forcefully, unintentionally increasing pressure on the knees and spine. This forces the quadriceps and knee joints to bear most of the body's weight. Over time, this repeated motion can lead to knee stiffness and pain every time you go up or down stairs. The right way to climb stairs without knee pain. The key to making stair climbing easier and safer is slightly leaning forward when stepping up. How it works. Instead of standing straight up, gently shift your weight forward by hinging at the hips, not rounding your back. This small adjustment redistributes your weight more efficiently, reducing knee pressure and allowing your legs to work more effectively. By adopting this technique, you'll experience less strain on your knees, improved balance, and smoother movement, making stair climbing effortless and pain-free. Additionally, instead of relying solely on your quadriceps to push yourself up, you should activate your glutes to assist in the movement. This helps distribute the force more evenly, reducing excess pressure on the knees while simultaneously strengthening your legs, allowing you to move comfortably and confidently. Another crucial factor that many people overlook is foot placement when stepping up. Instead of pushing off only with your toes, place your entire foot flat on the step. This ensures full muscle activation, enhances stability, and lowers the risk of losing balance or falling. Try this technique. Today, you'll notice the difference almost immediately. Lighter steps, less knee pain, and a much easier time climbing stairs than ever before. Now that you understand why stair climbing becomes more difficult over time, you're equipped with the most effective exercises to strengthen your muscles, improve balance, and protect your knee joints. Let's take a moment to review these key exercises and how they can help you move more freely and pain-free. Exercise 1. Controlled sit to stand. This fundamental, yet highly effective exercise strengthens the quadriceps, quads, and glutes, the two primary muscle groups that support you when climbing stairs. By performing this movement with proper technique, you'll build stronger legs and enhance movement control, reducing the risk of losing balance or falling when standing up or sitting down. Exercise 2. Lateral step up. This exercise targets the gluteus medius, a crucial hip stability and balance muscle. Practicing it regularly will make your steps more secure, helping you feel less worried about losing balance, especially when climbing stairs or walking on uneven surfaces. Exercise 3. Step down with weight. While the first two exercises help you step up more easily, this one focuses on strength and control when stepping down, a commonly overlooked yet critical movement. The knee joints endure greater pressure when going downstairs, increasing the risk of discomfort or instability. Incorporating a light weight will strengthen your quads, glutes, and calves, making stair descent safer and pain-free. Key tip for easier stair climbing. One simple yet highly effective trick to reduce pain and move with greater ease is to lean forward when stepping up slightly. This naturally shifts your weight, reducing knee strain and helping your muscles work more efficiently. Not only will this make stair climbing effortless, but it will also improve posture and stability, lowering the risk of falls. Dedicate just a few minutes each day to these exercises. You'll quickly notice improvements in your mobility, maintaining flexibility, strength, and independence as you age. Don't let stairs become an obstacle. Turn them into a daily tool for building better health. If you found this information helpful, share it with friends and family, especially those struggling with mobility or looking to stay healthy as they age. Regular exercise makes stair climbing easier and boosts overall strength, balance, and knee health, allowing you to fully enjoy life without limitations. Keep moving, stay strong, and enjoy every step with confidence.